Somewhere beyond the sea, somewhere waiting for me, my lover stands on golden sands and watches the ships that go sailing.
Our generator has once again had a problem.
Yeah, it's oil change day. There's our oil filter. Here's how we pump out the oil. So we just take this off and pump the oil out.
I'll get the pump.
So we put this on here and we pump it out. So where's our fill?
Our oil pressure was high and our oil was nice and dark in a way it shouldn't be.
Okay, can you hold this up?
Okay, well, we'll get back once we are done pumping it out. Here's the oil.
Good. Where's the rag?
Up there.
Grab the rag.
Okay.
So now we're going to take our nipple off and put a cap on it and put the pump out away. So now we can put the oil in. It goes in right here. This is our dipstick.
Which should register as nothing right now, because we just pumped out all the oil.
Dry as a bone.
Yep. Okay, so we got to fill this up again.
Getting the oil filter off is a real pain in the butt. Don't over tighten oil filters.
What's weird is we didn't think we over tightened it, but
No,
it's
we didn't. Don't over tighten oil filters.
Look, there we go.
There we go.
Can you step outside carefully?
Yep. Dump this in the
Bucket of oil.
bucket of oil.
Now the other problem we're dealing with right now is once again our fuel filter seems to be going bad.
Yep.
We don't know why, but it is. But we thought, since we saw some high oil pressure, it'd be a good idea just to do this maintenance regardless. Now we're going to check the oil pressure.
Okay, we have oil pressure.
It's at the center of the idiot gauge.
Yeah, just run it for a little bit. Make sure we're not leaking.
Slight leak. Nope, no leak.
No leak.
Okay, so it's just residual stuff.
Yeah.
We'll put it under some load.
Hey folks, like, subscribe, tell your friends. It really does help, and it helps the channel grow. It helps us get higher in the search engines. And if you do feel like you can, please donate and help us out on the journey and help us restore this boat. We have a Patreon link. We also have a PayPal link on our website.